Modern JavaScript provides the shared array buffer feature, which allows simple linear buffers of bytes to be accessed concurrently by multiple JavaScript threads. As a result of compiler and architectural behavior, such concurrent programs can exhibit executions which are not sequentially consistent. A simple example is shown on screen. A relaxed behavior is possible, where the second thread observes the first thread's rights out of order. Permitted and forbidden relaxed behaviors in the language must be specified using a relaxed memory model. Many examples exist for a variety of languages. Our work investigates and corrects errors in JavaScript's existing relaxed memory model, which is based on that of C++11. We use a combination of model checking in Alloy and mechanized verification in Coq to build confidence in our corrected model, which has been adopted by JavaScript's standards body.